This video will walk you through installing a printed banner into an economy level retractable banner stand with a tape leader. In addition to the hardware, you will need a printed banner trimmed to size, clear packing tape, and a weighted object to help the banner from unraveling. Every individually boxed unit comes with one base, one top bar, one support pole, and one carry bag. Begin installation by opening the clamp top bar. Insert the top of the banner with the printed side face up. Ensure the banner is inserted into the correct side of the clamp bar and that the banner is bottomed out in the back of the channel. Begin to press the clamp bar closed. Doing so slowly and evenly will ensure a smooth application without creating wrinkles in the banner. Once the clamp bar is closed completely, roll the clamp bar into the media to prep for easy installation onto the base. With the print side facing up, line the bottom of the banner over top of the adhesive strip. Peel a couple inches of the liner from the adhesive strip and adhere the banner to the leader. Slowly peel back the remaining liner and ensure the bottom of the banner remains in line with the adhesive. Run your hand with slight pressure back and forth along the point of contact to remove any air bubbles and ensure a strong bond. Additional packing tape along the seam is strongly recommended. Press out the wrinkles and tuck the remaining tape on the back. Repeat on the rear seam. Clean hands or white gloves are recommended to ensure no fingerprints or oils are transferred to the printed banner. To activate the retractable mechanism, tightly grip the banner with one hand and remove the locking pin from the side of the base. Immediately upon removal, the banner will want to retract back into the base. Control the speed of the retraction by holding the base with your palms and the banner with your fingers. Carefully and slowly allow the banner to retract into the base, keeping an even distance from the edge on both sides. The locking pin you previously removed can be stored beneath the stand. Double check the mechanism is working properly by pulling the banner in and out a few times. The banner should come out smoothly and retract into the base easily. And that's it. Check out the rest of our installation and setup tutorials available on our YouTube page.